How to create Mojang account in Minecraft. So first, just open up your browser. Now, once you're on your browser, just search for Minecraft, then go to the Minecraft website right here. Just wait for it to load, and once you're here, you just need to log in first. So just click on the account here on the top right, then click on sign in. Then it will bring you right here. So once you're here, you just simply need to sign up. So back then, like 2023 and like way back December 2023, the Mojang and Microsoft merged their accounts so that basically if you have a Microsoft account, you'll also have a Mojang account. So it's basically one, they basically merged with each other and now it's just named Microsoft account instead of Mojang account. So if you want to create your Mojang account, you just simply need to click on sign up right here. Then it will bring you to this page and now you just simply need to input your details like use another account right here. Then here you will need to click on create one and just wait and it will be bought right here. And you simply need to put your email address. You could also get an email address if you want. But for me, I already have my email, so I'm just gonna sign in first. So once you're logged in, you will be brought to this page. And if you want to download Minecraft, you just simply need to click on any version of Minecraft that you want right here. So let's say you want Minecraft Dungeons or Minecraft Legends, but if you download or get the Minecraft, you will get both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. So let's say I want to download Java Edition, you just simply need to click on Download Launcher right here, and it will bring you to this page, and you just simply need to click on Download Launcher for Windows and install it. So once you have downloaded the launcher, it should look like this, and once you log in, it should look like this. So it will prompt you to log in first before you could go to this page, but as you can see, you will get all of the Minecraft versions right here, the Minecraft Legends, Dungeons, Bedrock Edition, and Java Edition. So I've just installed Java and Bedrock, but you could also install all of it right there. And that's how I basically create Mojang account in Minecraft.